Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to link Samsung SmartThings with Alexa in a few quick steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Alexa app. Make sure both your Alexa device and SmartThings Hub are set up. Then, open the Alexa app on your phone. Step 2. Go to Skills and Games. Tap More in the bottom right corner, then select Skills and Games. Step 3. Search for SmartThings. Use the search bar to find SmartThings, then tap Enable to use. Step 4. Sign in to SmartThings. Log in with your Samsung account and allow Alexa to access your SmartThings devices. Step 5. Discover devices. After linking, tap Discover Devices or say, Alexa, discover my devices. Alexa will scan and add all compatible SmartThings devices automatically. That's it. You can now control your SmartThings lights, plugs, and sensors using Alexa voice commands. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy smart home guides.